And with this, now it's my honor to introduce once again Ms. Ruchi Shah, the Director of Security Engineering at Google. Ms. Ruchi Shah is a distinguished leader in the field of cybersecurity with extensive experience and numerous contributions to the industry. So her expertise and leadership is truly inspiring, and we all enjoyed her session thoroughly, the keynote session in the GBR room in the morning also. So now I invite once again Ms. Ruchi Shah to share a few words about our W3-CS and motivators.
Thank you and congratulations. This is great. This is like a room full that you went to engineering schools and decided to become a security guard. So there was, and folks didn't have online presence. They didn't know passwords. Like all of that was so new. So in that type of an environment, starting out in cybersecurity, I took it up, but I didn't know how far this is going to go. But I found the right mentors at the right time. And I think that helped me a lot. And I could see that if we are able to provide this to the future generations, we are going to make that difference. When I would go to DEF CON decades ago, you'd have like one woman in like several rows. You would have to like get up, look around. Is there any other woman here? And now when I go to DEF CON, you can see a few of these seats very easily, but still it's very few seats. So the 25%, right? Like we look at that percentage go up and we feel very good about it. But when you look at that percentage in the leadership, that is not 25%. And that is not 25% in India. And I am so happy with this effort that Sujata has taken up here, because it allows us to bring more of this talent from very different areas in India to the forefront. Like we, even at Google, I was very surprised to see that, that point at which women have children and then they leave the workforce. And that's the time, if we had the support at that point, we could have made that percentage way better. And it's not about the numbers game. It's even having one of these, it's going to multiply. It's going to help us change this. And it's not just to have women for the sake of women either, right? Like we know that having diverse teams in these types of industries changes the way we look at the risk profile. It changes how we design products. It changes how we show up in the society as the industry. So there are a lot of benefits, and there are all the research studies around that as well, how these teams thrive, where you have the right type of equitable opportunities and diversity built in. W3C has been a very integral part in some of our expansions. So as, for example, we are expanding some of the teams that have been primarily in the US into India. And it was very easy for me to get the help from W3C to start reaching out, start getting more involved in the ecosystem here. So I think it's a fascinating way for you all to build the communities locally. Be in touch. You will find reasons to, ping folks, I'm trying to do this. Does anybody know how to do something like this? And share knowledge. And I think the one thing that we shy away from is to ask for help. Please ask for help. And don't think about, if I ask for help, I don't know what I would give in return. You don't have to give in return to that person. Pay it forward, because that's the only way this can work. So ask for help, ask for mentorship, ask for sponsorship. Only then you will get it. So with that, be involved, network, have fun in the process as well. Thank you.